Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about partial derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find first derivative of the function of f with respect to s. So we have s and s in here. First derivative of s, we have number 1. So we have e to the power of y. First derivative of s where we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0. And now we just put the value s equal to negative number 1 and y equal to number 0 on here. And we have e to the power of 0 plus 2 multiplied by negative number 1. So we have 1 minus 2 and we have negative number 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.